Hey folks, Junior here with another video for Junior's reviews and how-to videos. Today I am going to be reviewing two items made by the same company, and they are both products to check your blood pressure. One is going to be a wrist model and one is for the upper arm. So let me start real quick. The company is called Omron, and the first one that I'm going to be reviewing is the Omron upper arm cuff model, and this one is the bronze model. This one holds up to 14 readings. You can also get the silver model that holds up to 80 readings. Gold holds up to 120, and the platinum holds up to 200 readings. And what you can do also is, if two people use it in the same family, it'll be 100 readings for each, and you could save the time. You can program it to save the time and the date. And this is what comes in the box: little registration card, quick guide, quick reference, and the instruction manuals. Okay. Again, this one is the bronze Omron upper arm cuff model. This is the actual cuff. This is the hose. I'm going to show you exactly where all this goes. This is the actual monitor itself. Okay, nice big display. Comes with 4 AA batteries, which they go right here. I'm going to show you real quick how easy these are to put in. Super quick, simple. There you go. Put back the cover, and they're good to go. See this little hole here? This is where the actual hose to the cuff goes plugged into. All you do is push it in, and that's it. So I'm going to show you real quick how to check your blood pressure with this particular model. So you open up. One person can do this easily, especially the elderly. Sometimes they don't have anyone around at a particular time to do this. They could do this at home by themselves. Just slide this up to your arm, just right above your elbow. Strap this, Velcro it in place, and this hose points down, points towards the monitor. When you check the blood pressure, you want to stay still. You don't want to speak, and you want to hold your arm at the same height as your heart level. Okay, so basically all you like this, you hold your arm like this, you press the start button, and the whole process takes about less than 2 minutes. I'm talking through this now, so I'm not gonna do this reading. I just wanted to give you an example of how to do this. I wanted to show you how to do this. If I talk through the whole process, it's not gonna give me a proper reading. It'll probably show higher, because you need to stay still and quiet. But I wanted to show you how it's done. Okay, so this is the Omron bronze upper arm cuff model. The next model I want to show you is the Omron, so you can see that. This one is the wrist monitor, and this one is the gold monitor, the gold version. This one holds up to 200 readings, or if 2 people use it, 100 each. Again, you could also save the time and the date. Gives you a little quick reference here. This is what I explained to you before, where you want to keep your arm, you see you're sitting nice and straight, and you want to keep your arm at heart level. The good thing about this little wrist monitor is that if you're holding your arm too high or too low, it'll blink orange, and that means that your arm is not in the right position. When it blinks blue, that's like blue is go, and your arm is perfectly fine, and that's where you keep it during the process, which again, it takes less than 2 minutes to do. So as you can see, also a nice big display at the start and stop button there, but it's nice and thin as well. Some of these other companies, they come, big gawky model. This one's nice and thin, great for travel. And the little case it comes in is, good to keep it in. Again, you just open it up, open up the strap, you place your hand through, and you just adjust it to your wrist. Simple as that. I'm gonna do this test, so I'm gonna have to keep quiet during the process, but I want to show you my arm in the wrong position, and you'll see how the orange light will blink, and then you'll see blue, and that means that my arm is in the right position. So I'm going to start this one now so you can see how this is done. So my arm right now is too high, I know that for a fact, and you see it's blinking orange. Okay, so that's telling me that my arm, it's not going to work because my arm is not right. So I go down. Well, it actually did a bit. That's why it's not going to read right. So I want to show you again. Okay, so it's orange, not good. Blue, good. Perfect. It'll start. And that's how fast it takes. Now, you can take it off. I'm going to take it off so I can show you the reading. And you can see the numbers for yourself. Nice and big. Okay, I don't have this particular model, the date or the time program, but you could easily do that. Okay, so it shows you systolic on the top, and on the very bottom, it shows you your pulse. So in this case, it's 68. So 124 over 85. I'm looking at it backwards in the right, 124, right? 124 over 82, or 85, I'm sorry. And that's this reading. So you can see how simple it is, quick and easy. One person can do this. Elderly people can do it. So before I end this video, I will leave descriptions to both models underneath the video and links to see them directly. So if you want to purchase them, you can. And I also wanted to mention a couple more things. I'm not a medical doctor. This is not medical advice. Please consult your medical doctor or professional before you deal with any kind of apparatus to check your blood pressure. And I thank you so much for watching. If I give you some value, please, I ask you to please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Thank you once again for watching. I definitely appreciate it. Have a great day.